Let's try one of these red velvet. Oh, look at it. Look how moist and good.
Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making an old-fashioned red velvet chocolate chip cookie. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, in a large bowl, we're going to need a cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla powder, a 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder. You want to mix this up thoroughly. After you mix it very well and thoroughly, you want to sit this to the side and you want another dry bowl out for your wet mixture. 5 tablespoons of softened butter. Beaten butter softened. You got to beat it until it's soft and creamy. 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, beaten to soften. Mix well with butter. 1/3 cup of fine granulated sugar. You can look in your store and you can find the one that says fine grated. Mix combined sugar, white sugar with brown sugar butter mixture. Scrape sides down. Add 1 large egg. Slow beat until all sugar is combined with egg. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix vanilla slowly with the other mixture, making sure you get the vanilla all through the sugar mixture. For our old-fashioned red velvet cookies, we're going to be using a whole 1/2 tablespoon of beet juice. Now that's a little different. If it's not red enough, just add another 1/2 tablespoon of beet juice. You want this dark red. Now we're going to add 1/2 of our dry mix into our bowl with the wet mix. Not all of it, just 1/2. You're going to start mixing. We're going to mix the rest of it. Now, this is the color. Last but not least, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Got me a nice bowl that I'm going to dump my cookie mixture in here. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. We're going to come back and we're going to bake these delicious old-fashioned red velvet chocolate chip cookies. Okay, I got my red velvet chocolate chips out. I've got me a scoop and I'm going to scoop out some like a nice ice cream. And I'm going to lay these beautiful scoops down. These are going to go in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, but you want to watch them between the 15 minutes before the 15 minutes comes. Okay, 350. We're going to give it 15 minutes, but we're going to be watching through the oven. And here are my old-fashioned red velvet chocolate chip cookies. These don't take nothing but a hot, quick second to make. You can have them with your kids, with your grandkids, with your family and friends, or just girls' night coming over, ready to play some cards, just hanging out. You can make a bunch of cookies, have some tea, coffee, talk, and eat red velvet chocolate chip cookies. Let's try one of these red velvet. Oh, look at it. Look how moist and good. Oh my God, look at that. That looks delicious. The way I'm breaking it, look at all the chocolate. Look at the red velvet in there. Oh my God, these are the perfect cookies for any occasion. Guess what? I didn't make these cookies alone. You were here with me, you and me. We made these together and we can make plenty more. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back next time so we can make other dishes, sweet dishes, savory dishes, all kind of dishes. See you next time. Bye.